Hey everybody, we're here for the Cookies Barbecue Sauce Outdoors Traditions Kitchen. We're up here at Wall Lake with the Barbecue King, Mr. Speed Herrick. And how you doing, pal? Another season.
Well, you betcha, Dan. How you doing?
I'm good, thank you. So I brought a bunch of meat up here for him to see what he could create for us this year, and I'm kind of already getting excited. What do we got today?
This is bear stir fry.
Bear stir
What
fry.
I did is take a bear roast and slivered it real thin, stir fried that first in a little sesame oil, pulled it out. Then I threw in a cup of carrots, cup of celery, cup of peppers, and a cup of onions, and put the lid on and just steamed that through a little bit. And now we'll add the Nectar of the Gods Cookies Korean sauce, and I'll tell you what, is that ever going to be tasty?
Now that's actually a brand new sauce, right?
That's brand new, you betcha.
Yeah, and now flavor enhancer?
Oh, you flavor enhancer on the meat when I was stir frying it, you
Okay,
betcha.
all right.
But we just stir that through, and I'll tell you what, you can serve this over a bed of rice is really good. And or just throw it on a plate and sit down and eat it. And I know when I get done here, I'll have to kind of beat you to the plate because you'll be there first.
Yeah, actually bear is one of my favorite proteins. We've been doing the show for 16, 17 years, but I've been bear hunting for probably about 25, and I love bear meat. So.
Oh yeah, and it gets so tender.
Yeah. So,
Just take a whiff of that once.
yeah, that smells good.
Oh yeah.
All right, well let's plate it up and let's see how we do. Now,
Okay, there's your plate.
Thank you. Yeah, you know what? Where's the forks at?
Here, you hold the plate.
Yeah, I'll hold the plate. You go get me a fork. See how that works? See, you just kind of play dumb and it all works out in your favor. Thank you. Well, go ahead. You go first. You cooked it. Boy, that's delicious.
That bear had been happy knowing he was going to get a little Korean on him.
Yep. Brand new Cookies Korean barbecue sauce. Check it out. And start to finish, how long were you? 10, 12, 15 minutes?
18 minutes. It takes about 5 minutes to steam the vegetables.
All right, there you go. Barbecue stir fry with Cookies Korean barbecue sauce. That's a winner.